Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Analogy. Let me know if you get a perfect 10 out of 10. Blank is to selfless. Opportunistic is to strategic. A. Rigid. B. Altruistic. C. Indifferent. D. Reluctant. The correct answer is letter B. Altruistic. Opportunistic means acting for one's advantage, often strategically, just as altruistic describes someone selfless. Erratic is to blank. Methodical is to systematic. A. Careless. B. Unpredictable. C. Wary. D. Rigid. The correct answer is letter B. Unpredictable. Erratic means unpredictable, while methodical means systematic. Impartial is to unbiased. Blank is to devoted. A. Neutral. B. Critical. C. Partisan. D. Vague. The correct answer is letter C. Partisan. Partisan is devoted to one side, just as impartial means unbiased. Apathetic is to blank. Zealous is to passionate. A. Cautious. B. Indifferent. C. Confused. D. Distant. The correct answer is letter B. Indifferent. Apathetic means indifferent, while zealous means passionate. Cursory is to superficial. Exhaustive is to blank. A. Limited. B. Hurried. C. Thorough. D. Rare. The correct answer is letter C. Exhaustive means thorough, opposite of cursory, which is superficial. Prudent is to bold. Reckless is to cautious. A. Bold. B. Cautious. C. Daring. D. Easygoing. The correct answer is letter B. Cautious. Prudent means cautious, just as reckless means careless. Mitigate is to blank. Exacerbate is to intensify. A. Widen. B. Lessen. C. Reduce. D. Soften. The correct answer is letter B. Lessen. Mitigate means to lessen, opposite of exacerbate, which means to intensify. Coherent is to logical. Blank is to muddled. A. Resolved. B. Incoherent. C. Articulate. D. Planned. The correct answer is letter B. Incoherent. Incoherent means muddled, opposite of coherent, which means logical. Precarious is to blank. Secure is to firm. A. Unstable. B. Shallow. C. Tentative. D. Flexible. The correct answer is letter A. Unstable. Precarious means unstable, while secure means firm. Lucid is to clear. Obscure is to blank. A. Transparent. B. Hidden. C. Vivid. D. Polished. The correct answer is letter B. Hidden. Obscure means hidden or difficult to understand, just as lucid means clear. Did you get perfect?